A Flower for Frankenstein's Monster. A poem by Stefan Karlsson. Even a monster like me loves flowers. Roses and tulips, petunias and buttercups. I've got a green thumb and a florist's nose, all thanks to the doctor who sewed me up. But when I planted roses, they died. Oh, how I cried! And my tulips withered, my green lips quivered. My petunias perished. Well, those I forgot to water. Then my buttercups croaked. I blubbered, I choked. If only my garden was green like me. But that's it. If my yard is a tomb, then I'll gather dead blossoms and zap 'em, boom, to make a new monstrous mishmash bloom. From fallen petals, behold, my Frankenflower is born. I love it, but it stinks, and ouch, it has thorns.